So the question is largest divisible subset. So in largest divisible subset, we are given a vector nums, and in that from that we have to extract a subset in which any pair nums I comma nums j is such that it is like nums I modulo nums j or nums j modulo nums I is double equal to 0. It means that nums I and nums j are divisible and their remainder is equal to 0. So we have to find out the largest divisible subset from that nums vector we have given. So initially, if we are taking like for using the brute force approach, so using brute force approach, what we can do? First of all, we can find out all the subsets and then check for each subset that it if it checks, then we can check for the condition on every subset, and if the subset matches the condition, and then we can maintain a value for the length, for the maximum length, and then return that maximum length, but it will give us TLE. So if we have to move one step forward, what we will do, we will do from using the recursion. We'll go through the recursion, and when if the if we sort the nums array in ascending order, what we are seeing that if it is like given 1 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16, so if 1 and 4 are included, it means 4 modulo 1 is double equal to 0. And then if it comes to 8 and 8 modulo 4 double equal to 0, so we are finding that 1 and 4 are pair, 4 and 8 are pair, so 1 and 8 are also divisible. So from this, what we have to find out, we have to find out the largest divisible subsequence in that array after sorting that nums array into ascending order. So yeah, so now what we'll do, we'll take the use of recurrence relation, as we are using in the largest increasing subsequence, in which either we are picking the element at the element at that position I, or we are not picking that element and maintaining an value length and then maximizing the length. And here we are checking what the condition like ARR previous less than equal to less than ARR index. But in this, what we have to check, we have to check for ARR I modulo ARR previous double equal to 0. For divisibility check, we have to make the condition only change in the largest increasing subsequence question, so that we get the largest divisible subsequence from that array, and then we can return that. So here the approach we can use, we can solve it using memoization, tabulation, but we'll take one algorithm approach. What we are doing is we are maintaining a same size array called DP and one hash. And what we are doing is, in the DP array, first of all, initializing all the value in DP array equal to 1, and then we'll move to any ith index in 1 in array. What we are updating, we are updating the DPI value with the maximum largest subsequence that is ending with the element DP array I is equal to DPI. So we are maintaining like this, and in hash I, what we are putting is, we are putting the previous index to which it was, we are picked the element to make the largest divisible subsequence. So in from this we are making the hash, maintaining the hash and DP, and at the end we are, from using the hash, we are extracting our original sequence, and from DP array what we are getting the maximum length, and at the end we can return maximum length or hash function may that what is the sequence, that is we can return either the sequence or the maximum length what is asked by the question going through. Yeah, so at the end what was asked, if it is the maximum length, so we can return the DPI, or if it is the sequence, complete sequence we require, so we can return it using the hash vector. So yeah, complete.